Okay, so today is Wednesday, January 29th. Today was a chill day. I did not get in on any trades on gold, mainly because I woke up late. Let's see. Not even woke up late, I just wasn't up between 4 a.m. and 8 when the moves really happened. Let's see. So yeah, the moves happened in the middle of the night. It tapped into the zone that I was looking for it to tap into, that 4-hour, 1-hour zone on the uptrend. It pulled all the way back during the session before. And it was dropping like crazy during New York session. And yeah, I missed those sales. No. That was... yeah, right? Am I tripping? 6, 7... It's Tuesday. Yeah, Monday it dropped like crazy during New York session. Not Monday. Right now it's Wednesday because it's 1 a.m. So it's Tuesday. Yeah, so Monday dropped like crazy during New York session. And then start building up after tapping into that zone, which is what I was looking forward to do. But I did miss the trade, and I wasn't on the smaller time frames, like really looking for my setup. I was looking for a bigger pullback on like the 15-minute, and it just never gave me one. So I'm on like the 15-minute. It's taken off from that 27.45 resistance. It broke out of that, and then it just kept going. So right now it looks like we're on some sort of pullback. So we might come back down to 27.45, this zone here, and get a play off of that zone. I might see if I can, if price continues to trend down like this, I am waiting for a pullback. And that could possibly be my problem too, is like waiting for the pullback on larger time frames when I should be waiting for the pullback on the smaller time frame, so I can trade the extension of the smaller time frame. So the push of the 15-minute structure, but I'm catching that 2-minute trend that's making the structure on the 15 or making it on the 30, instead of trying to wait for that 30-minute structure to build, not the candle, but that 30-minute structure. Instead of waiting for that to build and it taking like damn near 2-3 days, I'm trying to get in on a daily basis. So looking for 2-minute and 5-minute trends to catch on to. So anyways, that was gold. No trades. Although it was a very beautiful setup, tapped into the zone, was breaking highs. We did make a resistance, but at the end of the day, the internal structure was also broken. It did just tap into the resistance, which I see how that could have made it. If I was on the charts, I probably would have wanted to wait until that resistance was broken and then wait for that first setup to be formed. But unfortunately, I was waiting for it to come back to the resistance, and it never did, and I didn't pick up on the smaller trend building. So I'll be making sure to look out for that. Even right now, we are breaking lows, it looks like, to the downside, so we could be pulling back to tap into something. It looks like the 4-hour structure has shifted to the downside, honestly, because we have the high at 27.86, but we also have a low here. We also have a low here at 27.35, and we broke that. We broke that low, made a new low at 27.30. So regardless, that is a new low, and we have highs here. Let's see. We have a high here, 27.80, and we have one at 27.72 that it doesn't look like we're breaking. So we could be wanting to go back to this 27.30 level to test this, and possibly even 27.24 to test those highs, because we broke out of those highs and we never came back. So this could be that, possibly, but I'm not totally sure. I don't really care, but there is a 4-hour zone, a 4-hour demand zone, so we will see. It could have also been a liquidity sweep or grab, because it did technically already tap into this 4-hour zone. 27, yeah, at 27.30. So it did already tap into that zone, and it's given a pretty nice reaction off this zone, but now it's tapping into the zone at 27.65, 27.62 to 27.66. That is the zone that it's tapping into right now. It's already closed pretty strongly off that zone. So the next zone that it probably could be trading to is into this 27.45 to 27.41. So we'll see. We'll see how these next candles want to play out. Right now it's looking like it could drop pretty good. I would like a pullback, but then I'm also wanting to get better at waiting for the pullback, but also like going ahead and getting in the trade and just setting my stop loss and making my stop loss bigger, because it'll be like right now it's trending and I don't want to miss the trend, but that's also FOMO. So it's, for me, it's about finding that balance. Yeah, for me right now it's about finding that balance. It looks like we're on an extension right now, and we could be getting a pullback. Right now we're at 27.60. I don't know. I'd like a pullback maybe into 27.61, 27.62 maybe. But I'm not sure. We are technically breaking lows. So we are technically breaking lows. I might take one just to see what happens. Just to see if I'm going along with the proper trend, the right 2-minute, 1-minute trend, or the 5-minute. So I'm gonna see. I might wait for the 30-minute, might wait for the, yeah, I'm gonna see. But I definitely think that in this session, in London session, we'll be falling. We're gonna see.